Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick and easy kimchi at home. First, let's prepare our napa cabbage. Take one large head of napa cabbage and cut it into 2-inch pieces. Then, toss the cabbage with about 1/2 cup of sea salt. Let this mixture sit for approximately 1 hour, making sure to turn it every 15 minutes. This brining process is crucial for texture. Finally, rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times under cold water and drain it very well. This removes excess salt and prepares it for the next step. Now, let's create the heart of our kimchi, the flavorful paste. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of Korean chili flakes, also known as gochugaru, with 6 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for that umami depth. Next, mix in 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water to form a smooth consistency. Finally, incorporate 1/2 cup of freshly chopped green onions. This vibrant paste will give your kimchi its signature taste. With our cabbage brined and our paste ready, it's time to bring everything together. Put on some gloves, as this can get a little messy. Gently mix the brined and drained cabbage with the prepared kimchi paste in a large bowl. Ensure every single piece of cabbage is thoroughly and evenly coated with the vibrant red paste. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar. Make sure to leave at least 1 inch of headspace at the top of the jar to allow for fermentation gases. Finally, let's talk about fermentation and storage. Allow your freshly made kimchi to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You might notice some bubbles, which is a good sign. After this initial fermentation, transfer the jar to your refrigerator. Your delicious homemade kimchi will keep well for up to 3 weeks, and its flavor will continue to deepen and become more complex over time. Enjoy your quick and easy kimchi as a side dish or an ingredient in many meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.